Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and guides on the best kitchen tools. Today, we're diving into the world of knife sharpening with a product that has garnered quite a reputation among home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. I'm talking about the best Suehiro ceramic water wheel knife sharpener, known for its precision and effective sharpening capabilities. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen game and keep your knives in top shape, you'll want to stick around for this review. The Suehiro ceramic water wheel knife sharpener is a manual sharpening tool that offers an efficient and user-friendly way to maintain the edge of your kitchen knives. Designed for both Western and Japanese knives, this sharpener utilizes a ceramic wheel to achieve a razor-sharp edge. The product's design is both compact and sleek, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen counter or drawer. But what truly sets this sharpener apart? First and foremost, its unique water wheel feature ensures that your blades are sharpened with precision while keeping them cool and reducing the chances of overheating, a common issue with traditional sharpeners. This means that not only do you get a sharper blade, but you also extend the life of your knives. Using the best Suehiro ceramic water wheel knife sharpener is refreshingly simple. You start by soaking the ceramic wheel in water for a few minutes. This soaking is crucial, as it allows the sharpener to glide smoothly along the blades. Once you're ready, place the knife against the wheel and apply gentle pressure as you move the blade back and forth. It's recommended to sharpen your knife at a consistent angle to achieve the best results. Many users appreciate that this sharpener allows for precise adjustment to accommodate different blade types, allowing for versatility across your knife collection. The ergonomic design of the handle makes it comfortable to hold, ensuring that you can achieve the perfect edge without straining your hands. One of the outstanding benefits of this sharpener is its ability to restore even the dullest knives back to life. Whether you have chef knives, paring knives, or even specialty Japanese blades, the Suehiro ceramic water wheel does an excellent job. The ceramic material is gentle yet effective, which means your knives won't suffer from excessive wear. Another noteworthy advantage is the water-based sharpening process. This not only helps in providing a cleaner sharpening experience but also results in shavings that are less likely to damage your kitchen surfaces. So you can sharpen your knives without the mess typically associated with traditional sharpening methods. In terms of performance, the Suehiro sharpener consistently delivers impressive results. Users have reported that knives sharpened with this tool retain their edge longer, which minimizes the frequency of sharpening sessions. The quiet operation during use also contributes to a pleasant sharpening experience, as you won't have to deal with the loud grinding noises of electric sharpeners. Furthermore, the durability of the ceramic wheel ensures that this product is a worthwhile investment. With proper care, the sharpener can last for years, saving you money in the long run by extending the life of your knives. In conclusion, if you're serious about keeping your kitchen knives in prime condition, the best Suehiro ceramic water wheel knife sharpener is an excellent choice. Its straightforward design, combined with effective performance, makes it a go-to tool for both novice cooks and professional chefs. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful or intriguing, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more kitchen product insights. Let us know in the comments about your experiences with knife sharpeners or if you have any questions about the Suehiro sharpener. Until next time, happy cooking and sharpen wisely.